This video we will see how to fix Grok AI image limit reached. So guys, fixing the Grok image limited reached error involve identify if you hit the official daily limit around 200 images for the Grok tires, or if it is bug, the fastest way to fix is just only wait for 24 hours for rolling out the quarter to reset. Okay, so guys, but in this video we also check some steps to bypass this issue. So first thing is guys, upgrade your subscription if you are using the free tire or the standard tire. So guys, your generation limit are server restricted. To maximize the capacity, roughly 200 image uh, and videos for 24 hours. So navigate to your profile icon and go for the X and select to upgrade your plan. So guys, you simply go profile and here you see the option of upgrade plan. Second is guys, you locate your exact reset time. So guys, Grok use a 24 hours rolling out window system, so retrying constantly will not speed up the process. So open the imaginary tab in Grok and attempt image regenerate and look closely at the error message. It usually indicates the exact timestamp when your quarter will refresh. Okay, after that guys, you try to clear cache. For clear app cache and browser, simply click here, then guys go for history, then open history page. After that click browsing data, and guys here you simply delete from the devices. Okay, and guys you also open a fresh conversation. Old and heavy loaded chat can cause the glitches in the image generation memory. So complete a new thread in the Grok interface and test your prompt in the new chat to ensure the problem is not isolated with the specific chat session. Okay, so this is the way that you can fix. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.